Hey everyone, check out the Evercare Pack of 6 10-inch wide large surface Mega Pet Roller refills, perfect for removing pet hair, lint, and debris. Each sheet offers 50% more pickup, making it easier to tackle stubborn particles quickly and effectively. These sticky lint roller refills work great on various fabrics, ensuring pet hair is removed before you leave the house. They are versatile enough to use on clothing, furniture, and even your car's interior for a thorough cleaning. The sheets are easy to peel and tear, designed for a clean, smooth removal every time. These refills fit perfectly with Evercare's 10-inch Mega Lint Roller for quick and simple replacement. Keep your surfaces looking fresh and fur-free with these powerful, easy-to-use lint roller refills. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.